how to make a pulse effect in Capcut. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is open up your Capcut application and select the project that you want to add the pulse effect to. So as you can see, I've already selected a project. Now to add the pulse effect, what I'm going to do is tap on the effect option at the bottom of the screen. So just tap on it and then tap on video effects and then select the area where you want to add the pulse or the pulse effect to. So on for the search bar, just search for pulse effect over here and you'll be able to see different effects related to pulse over here. You can select any of this. So I'm going to just select on this very first option that pops up. Then after tapping on it, you can just go back to the video and you can see the pulse effect has been added. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.